On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making our version of Cuban picadillo. Now, this is going to be an Instant Pot recipe. It won't exactly be traditional picadillo, it'll be something that you can make in an Instant Pot. And it all starts with 1 pound of hamburger. We also used some diced onions, minced garlic, and we cook that all together. To that we add diced tomatoes and kosher salt. And then we add some black pepper, but only to taste. If you don't like a lot of black pepper, don't add a lot. It's alright. Have that sauteing in our Instant Pot, cooking up, making sure everything's mixed together. And to that we are going to add some ground cumin, give it some spice to it, and some bay leaf. Then we're going to add tomato sauce. We're using tomato sauce out of a can. It is what it is. It's an Instapot recipe that is going to make quick and easy. Alright, after we've added our tomato sauce, we're going to add some bell pepper. You can use green or red. And we're going to add some olives. These are green olives. You want that briny, salty flavor to really mix into your picadillo. After you stir all that up, I'm going to add a little bit of the brine from the olive juice. Just a little bit. You can quickly overpower the flavor of the picadillo if you add too much. So once you have that all mixed, you close up your Instant Pot, set it to about 15 minutes. Doesn't take long to cook this. Remember I said earlier, this is a quick and easy recipe. After 15 minutes under high pressure, take the top off and look at what you've got for dinner. It's all ready to go. And while it cools off here, I would invite you to subscribe, hit that notify button, and please comment to our videos. That we want to hear what you have to say. We want to know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see us make in the future. Just put it all down in the comments. Alright, now that picadillo is done. Stir it up, make sure it's all good and mixed, and we're going to serve it. In this case, we're serving it with some cilantro lime rice. Of course, it's always a little messy adding it to bowls, so be sure to clean up because presentation matters. And that will do it for this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this, and we thank you for watching. Tune in next time. Remember, hit that subscribe button so you'll always be notified when the next episode comes out. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next episode.